Welcome friends, welcome to freetaxeducation.com. Today we will start with the session 4 of Cenvat credit rules, reversal and refund of Cenvat credit. So in this session we will check out when when company or manufacturer needs to reverse their Cenvat credit or when they will get the refund of Cenvat credit. Refund means actually they will get cash from government. So what do you mean by reversal of Cenvat credit? Reversal of Cenvat credit can be defined as reduction of Cenvat credit of assessee. That is, assessee reduce the Cenvat credit amount by himself. That means if we are purchasing so much goods or services and our Cenvat credit is 1 lakh rupees, and due to some circumstances which we are learning in this session, we need to reverse that Cenvat credit by 50,000. That means if you are having 1 lakh rupees Cenvat credit, you have to reverse 50,000. Means the remaining is 50,000 rupees with you. It is the reversal of Cenvat credit. Following us on the situation where the assessee needs to reverse the Cenvat credit. First, when assessee removed the goods as such, that is without any processing. If the goods are purchased for manufacturing of excisable goods and removed or returned from factory without processing, then the assessee has to reverse the same amount of Cenvat credit availed on input. That means if we have purchased some raw material and paid 1 lakh rupees duty on that, and without using this in a final product or manufacturing process, if we remove as such from factory, we need to reduce the Cenvat credit by 1 lakh rupees. Next one is captive consumption. If the inputs are purchased for manufacturing of excisable goods and utilized for captive consumption, if it is consumed in the goods which are not allowed for Cenvat credit, then assessee has to reverse the Cenvat credit. If suppose we are purchasing a steel bars and used for building, to construct a building which is not input or not eligible input Cenvat credit, not eligible for Cenvat credit, at such time such duty paid on that TMT bars or steel bars must be reversed to the department. That means to the extent it is reduced. So next one is, if finished excisable goods are damaged or destroyed within the factory, then the Cenvat credit is availed on inputs or input services must be reversed by assessee. With the help of this raw material, if we prepare some finished goods and these finished goods are damaged or destroyed within the factory, then such Cenvat credit availed, that means the duties paid on inputs, will be reversed and to the extent it is reduced. If assessee to the Cenvat credit. Then next one is removal of capital good after use. It is assumed that the capital goods will be used till retirement of assets. If there is a capital goods are removed after some years, then assessee needs to reverse the proportionate service Cenvat credit availed on the same. That means if the retirement age, means whenever we purchase this machinery and the estimated life of machinery is 10 years, and if we remove the machinery within the 5 years, then we have to reverse the proportionate Cenvat credit to the department. There are some calculation background which cannot be explained here, so you need to go for pro version, the professional version, so that you can understand that calculation background. It is just information we provided. This is just basic knowledge. So reversal of credit. How to reverse? For example, inputs purchased. If you purchase input rupees 1 lakh rupees, the duty on the inputs is 12.5%, that is 12,500. Cenvat credit available is 12,500. If input removes are as such, that means out of that 1 lakh rupees purchase, 50,000 rupees goods are removed as such, Then the Cenvat credit reversed on the input removed is proportionate, that is 12.5%, and it is same as 6,250, that will be reversed. So Cenvat credit available after reversal is 12,500 minus 6,250. So only after reversal the Cenvat credit available is 6250. That means if we remove as such, we need to reverse the Cenvat credit also. Next one is refund of Cenvat credit. Refund of Cenvat credit can be defined as when available Cenvat credit is more than the liability, then Cenvat credit is refunded to the assessee. That means the liability is less than Cenvat credit. At such time, the Cenvat credit is refunded by the department in cash. Following are some conditions, some of the conditions where assessee will get a refund of Cenvat credit. Cenvat credit on inputs used for export. Exports, as you all of know, that exports are tax-free, and when assessee manufacture goods for export purpose, he paid excise duty and service tax on inputs. It will be burden for the assessee as there is no output liability to offset against it. So the government refunds that duties and taxes to the assessee. In this way, he will get the refund of Cenvat credit. Next one, Cenvat credit on inputs used for deemed export to SEZ, Special Economic Zone, EPZ, and FTZ, that is Free Trade Zone. Free Trade Zone. Cenvat credit will be refunded if duties and taxes paid by manufacturer. If the duties are paid by manufacturer, then the department will refund the Cenvat credit. So how this happened? We can check out this here. Input purchased rupees 1 lakh, duties on inputs 12,500. So Cenvat credit available is 12,500, but the output liability in case of export is 0. Export or deemed export is 0. So duty payable or refund, that means refund. 0 minus 12,500 is equal to minus 12,500. That means the refund 12,500 will get by received by the manufacturer. In this way, reversal and refund of Cenvat credit will work. I hope you understand this reversal and the refund of Cenvat credit. So that's it. Thanks for visiting freetaxeducation.com.